can use it to do gari and yam cassava flour. So we can use it to do a lot of things. So this is how they made cassava flour. We can use it to do fufu and cassava flour. Or we can use it to do akpu. So this is how they soak it. After peeling it, they'll soak it inside the water. So within 3 days, you are going to soak it. So after the 3 days, you are going to spread it. So after spreading it, it's going to dry and they'll grind it. Cassava flour. They can use it to do gari. They can use it to do a lot of things, akpu, so and so on and so forth. So can you see everything? So follow me, let me show you how they plant this cassava. So this is cassava. This is cassava leaf. This is how they plant cassava. Everywhere full of cassava. So they plant it. So my people, this is local beans. This is the leaf. After germinating, it's going to bring a long stick. So inside the stick, we will get the beans from it. So this is okra leaf. So they can use the leaf to make a soup. So it's trying to say that they are farming, so it's very expensive. The paying of their staff is very expensive. Um, uh, so this cassava, we can use it to do. So look at the house. This is mold. They mold it. This is mold. Olden days house. So okay. This is sugarcane. This is how they plant sugarcane. Sweet sugarcane.